As you can see, I have a lot of new launches with me from Lakmé. I just thought of reviewing the new launches, but I decided on doing a full face of makeup on most of the Lakmé products that I have with me. A couple of them are from different brands, but yes, this is the makeup look that I have done using all of the products that I will talk about in this video. And if you're new to the channel, I am Dia and I post videos related to makeup, skincare, you know, beauty, lifestyle, and I'm planning on doing a lot more long form review videos on this channel, so stay tuned for it. Want me to try any new makeup launches? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. I'm using Nykaa pH tinted lip oil. It's very hydrating, plus I love the pigmentation and the color it gives. For primer, I'm using Lakmé Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. The packaging has changed now, by the way. This is a silicone based primer which I'm applying on my pores. It is very smooth to apply, by the way, and the skin feels so soft and silky whichever part I have used it. And this is the Lakmé Facelift Multi Slayer Cover Stick, and I have this shade 220 Neutral Medium with me. This is priced at 899 rupees. So this is a stick, as you can see. The shade match is not bad. I'm using a brush to blend it out. You can also use a beauty blender and you can see the difference between these. I won't say it is like full coverage, but I liked it. The coverage is not bad. So let's apply on full face. You can build the coverage of this one, but it only comes in 8 shades. That's the only thing I did not like. But if a shade matches you, I really liked it. Like the shade actually for me is a perfect one. So this is one of my favorite concealer. This is Lakmé Absolute Cream Concealer. I barely have seen anyone talk about this, but this is so good, guys. You can see how much I've used it. A little bit is left. I got it at 50% off at Nykaa, and what I do is just use my fingers. Just look at the difference. There is no dark circle. I know this is looking a little too bright for me right now, but after I'm done with my blush, set it with a powder and everything, this looks flawless. I absolutely love this concealer. Next, I'm using my Glam Vanilla Compact to scent my under eyes. I really like the formula and you can see the difference. Next is blush from the brand Ilana. I'm pretty sure the brand has been discontinued now, but I had the blush with me. I'm just using a few drops and you can see it blends really smoothly with a brush and the color is like perfect, I think, for like medium or dark skin tones. Next is one of my favorite affordable eyeshadow from Nika K. I will leave the link down in the description box. I got it for 250 rupees and look how pigmented this is. Both the matte and the glitter shades are pigmented equally. Next, I'm using this mascara from Lakmé. You have to use it a couple of times, and as you can see, I have non-existent eyelashes, but you can definitely see the difference. This is just with one coat, by the way. The mascara is nice. Now the next one is a new launch. This is again from the Lakmé Showstopper palette. This is the Brow Sculpt palette. It's at 790 rupees. And this is how it looks. I absolutely love this golden packaging. There is a mirror with it, which is great. And this is how it looks. It has, like, this one is light brown, this is dark brown, and plus it has this spoolie where you have a small brush as well as this like comb kind of thing. So I actually have not used this previously and I have really bad eyebrow. So let's see, I'm gonna use this dark one right here. I like it. And also let me just use this small brush. Though for 750 rupees, I think the price is too much because I have my Swiss Beauty brow, which is like very similar to this, which is what, like less than 200 rupees. But I would suggest, if you want to get something from Lakmé better than this one, is this. This is the Lakmé Micro Brow Perfector. So on one side, you can see this is how it looks. And on the other side, you have the spoolie. This is so good. Like, I actually have used a lot of it. Like, I think it was like this much. I have used a lot. Like, this is like one of my favorite brow, like pencil brow products. I definitely love this. So from me, I think like better than using this one, just take this. This is much better, or just get something else on a lesser price. This is the Lakmé liquid highlighter. So this is highlighter, and this is in the shade Bronze. I actually have it for a long time now. I have 3 of the shades. This is Bronze, this one is Ivory, and other one was Rose Gold. Rose Gold is my favorite, but I don't have it with me right now. So it is very pigmented. So I'm just taking a little bit, dabbing it on the back side of my hand. There you see the glow. Now for lipstick, I have a lot of new launches with me, guys. Extraordinary Air Mousse mini version, and I have 4 shades with me. So this one I am not using it today, but I will attach the clip and I will make a separate video reviewing this lipstick, like reviewing the lipsticks and also the formula and everything. That will be in a separate long form video. So if it is already live, I will attach it in the description box and in the I section. As you can see, I have 4 shades with me. Another is Lakmé Rouge Bloom Powder lipstick. I was so excited about this one. I saw the clip online and I had to get my hands on it. This was priced at 999 rupees, which is pretty high, and the shade that I have is 29 Scarlet Rose. So but first, guys, let me show you the packaging. Just look at it. I actually don't feel like using it. It looks so pretty. Like, you can see there is a flower right here where I'm like, if I use it, it's gonna just melt, but the flower is gone. The color actually is not looking that bright as I was expecting. So this is like more of a orangish red color. I really like the color. I'm not sure because as you can see, I have this full red outfit. How is it looking? But the color itself is really good. So first thing, transfer test. Okay, you can see that it transfers, but that it transfers like very little. It is very light on the lips. Like, it has that mousse kind of texture, but in a bullet form, a powder bullet, right? The name actually justifies the formula. I absolutely love the formula. I don't think I have any lipstick around this formula. I don't remember right now, but it is good. But is it worth $9.99? I don't know, because personally I feel like lipsticks, like I personally have almost stopped buying lipsticks, especially if it is too costly. So if you want to have like this pretty lipstick in your collection, you can definitely go with it if you have the budget. But I won't say like this is like a must have in your vanity, but this again is a very pretty lipstick. I loved it. Like, I think I might buy another shade of it, maybe not in $9.99, but definitely when there is a sale or something, like 20-25% off, like within 700 or 800 rupees. I think this is a really good one. I loved it. The last product is this. This is a Lakmé Makeup and Skincare Vitamin C Super Glow Makeup Fixer. It is priced at 299 rupees, which I think is a very decently priced, because anyway, like in Amazon, Nykaa, everywhere you will get discount. And plus I will mention all the product links that I'm showing right now in my description, and I will add like all of the links from different platforms like Myntra, Nykaa, Amazon, so you don't have to go and search. You can directly check from my link. So this is how it looks like. It has this spray bottle. I have never used this. I don't really use makeup fixers somehow. Like, first of all, I barely do makeup which I need to stay for a long time. I do makeup, I just go for a couple of hours, like 2-3 hours, and I come back home. So I don't really use. But again, this is like a wedding look, like a shadi makeup look where you need to have your makeup set. So let's see. Though I'm not really a fan of vitamin C, like vitamin C serum doesn't suit me at all, so hopefully it doesn't break me out. Okay, let's see the pump. Okay, there is that vitamin C smell which I don't really like. Okay, let's spray. I don't really like the smell. It has that vitamin C smell that I hate. Just for this smell, I didn't like the product, just because of this smell. Like, yeah, it's a makeup product. Why do you add, like, you know, fragrance to it? Just keep it fragrance free. and plus vitamin C smell is really bad. Anyway, this is the makeup look for today. Let me know how did you like it. I personally, like, if you ask me what my favorite product is, definitely say that this lipstick and this foundation, both are really good. The price point, I would say get it on sale. Definitely don't buy it full price. But yes, if you get it like at 20% or 30% discount, I am sure in the next sale you will get this at discount. Just wait a little bit, buy it on sale. So these two are my favorites. And let me know how did you like this makeup look, by the way. Let me know how did you like the video. And again, I'm planning on doing full-length review videos on this channel along with the shorts that I usually do. So if you like to know more about any beauty products, any makeup products, if you want me to review any new launches, let me know in the comments. I would love to do that. And also I will post the review and the swatch of this lip mousse mini super soon, so stay tuned for it. And if it is already live, it will be in my description box below. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care guys, bye.